Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you how to make sakpa egusi soup. Sakpa simply means economical egusi soup, using little ingredients but achieving great taste, and the aroma is nose blinding. So guys, let's get started with this video. Into my pot I will go in with my cow meat, bonga fish, my onion, fresh pepper, seasoning cube, salt to taste, and I will add my water. I've already parboiled my cow meat. That's why I'm adding this quantity of water. But if you've not parboiled your cow meat, allow the cow meat to cook before you add water so that the juice in the cow meat can come out before you add water. So after that, I'll bring out my egusi. The stock I use for my cow meat, I'm using the water from the stock that I parboiled before. So I'm using that water to mix with my egusi to form semi-solid paste. I'll come back and check if the meat is soft enough for me to use to cook the soup. So I will set this aside. So after that, I'm going in with my palm oil. Add a little bit of onion. Allow this to fry a little bit so that it will not bleach. Then I will now go in with my egusi paste. We put it bit by bit. Please guys, you have to do this in a low heat so that your egusi will not get burnt. So after putting everything, I will have to cover and allow this to fry for some minutes. Then I will come back and turn it to the other side so that the both side can fry very well. After turning, I'll also close it back and allow to cook for some time before coming back and frying it vigorously. Yes, so once you fry and you have achieved this texture, then you set this aside. I'll come back and transfer my stock back to the cooking gas and allow it to boil. Once it comes to boil, I will go in with my fried egusi. Guys, if you watched to this point, thank you for watching. Please do it to like this video, and if you are a new viewer, thanks for joining. Do it to subscribe to this channel, and for my OGs, thank you. I really appreciate. Thank you for always watching my videos. So you go in with pepper. Go in with your pepper. I'm using dry pepper. After adding your egusi, you cover and allow to cook. And after that, I'll go in with my pumpkin leaf, also called ugu leaf here in Nigeria. Then I will give this a good mix. After adding your pumpkin leaf, Make sure your gas is low, because in a few minutes time the soup is already ready. So it's like 90% done. So now I'll test to see if I'll add any other thing, if the salt is okay. So I'll cover and allow this to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. And after that I'll come back, and voila, this egusi soup is ready. Wow, this soup tastes so good. You won't believe, with just little to no ingredients at all, it comes as this good. So do let me know if you will try this out. If you don't have stock fish, you can actually use crayfish. I don't eat crayfish, that's why I'm not usually cooking with my with crayfish in my videos. So so guys, if you watch to this point, I really appreciate. You are the real MVPs. See you guys in my next one. Bye.